morning. My name is M. Narasimha Rao, lecturer in physics. A pendulum bob of mass 80 milligram and carrying a charge of 2 into 10 power minus 8 coulomb at rest in uniform horizontal electric field of 20 kilovolt per meter. Find the tension in the string. Here, one is a positively charged plate, another one is a negatively charged plate. They are separated by a small distance. Electric lines of force are running from positive charge to negative charge. In between the positive and negatively charged plate, uniform electric field is created. Electric field is represented by E. Electric lines of force are running from positive charge to negative charge. Everywhere in this region, electric field is having same magnitude and same direction. Now this is the simple pendulum. It is the small metallic sphere suspended by means of a thread. This small metallic sphere we are calling as bob. It is given positive charge. This simple pendulum is given as a positive charge. Charge is 2 into 10 power minus 8 coulomb. This is a positive charge. This simple pendulum is given as a positive charge. This is positively charged plate. This simple pendulum is having positive charge. In between positive and positive charge, there exists an electric force of repulsion. Now this charged particle is kept in the uniform electric field. On this charged particle, electrical force is acting right side. Electric force is acting, that F is equals to EQ force is acting right side. Now, due to repulsion, simple pendulum is moving like this. At this position, simple pendulum is in the rest position. Rest position means resultant force acting on this pendulum is 0. Its meaning is at this position, simple weight of the simple pendulum is acting downward. Weight is mg, it is represented by mg. Mg is acting down. Now, this thread is pulling the bob towards the point of suspension. This pulling force you are calling as tension in the string. Now, initially simple pendulum is in the vertical position. Due to electric force of repulsion, simple pendulum moves to another position. That force F is equals to EQ. F is equals to EQ. This simple pendulum is making an angle theta with the vertical direction. Here, this tension in the string can be resolved into, can be separated into two perpendicular components. One is T cos theta, another one is T sin theta. Here angle is theta, here also angle theta. These two angles are alternate angles. Now, for this angle theta, this is adjacent side. For that reason I have written cos theta, this is sin theta. Now, this simple pendulum is in rest position or equilibrium position. Resultant force is 0. Left side force is equals to right side force and upward force is equals to downward force. Now please listen. Simple pendulum is in equilibrium. Simple pendulum is in equilibrium. Simple pendulum is in equilibrium. Resultant force on this simple pendulum is 0. Left side force is equal to right side force along x-axis. along x-axis, t sine theta is equal to eq. T sine theta is equals to eq is an equation number 1. Upward force is equals to downward force, nothing but along y-axis, t cos theta is equals to mg. T cos theta is equals to mg. Number 2. Here. Now, in this formula, m represents mass of the pendulum, g is the acceleration due to gravity, total term mg represents weight of the pendulum. In this problem, mass of the pendulum is given. Mass of the pendulum is given as 80 milligram. 80 milligram. 80 milli means 10 power minus 3. Gram means 10 power minus 3 kg. Now, 80, I am writing milli means 10 power minus 3. Gram means 10 power minus 3. Now, here, now please listen, 80 into 10 power minus 3, 10 power minus 3, 10 power minus 6 kg. This is the mass. Charge is given. Charge Q, charge on the pendulum Q is equals to 2 into 10 power minus 8 coulomb. Now please listen here. We need tension in the string. Squaring and adding equation 1 and equation 2. Squaring and adding equation 1 and 2. Squaring and adding. T square sine square theta. T square sine square theta plus T square cos square theta. T square cos square theta is equals to EQ whole square plus mg whole square. T square common, sine square theta, T square common, cos square theta, that is equals to EQ whole square plus mg whole square. Now, I am writing T is equals to T square is equals to sine square theta plus cos square theta 1, sine square theta plus cos square theta 1, that is equals to EQ whole square plus mg whole square. T square into 1 T square, T is equals to under root of EQ whole square plus mg whole square. T represents tension in the string, that is equals to E means electric field. Electric field is given as 20 kilovolt per meter. 20 kilovolt. Kilo means 10 power 3 volt per meter. This can be written as 2 into 10 power 4 volt per meter. E means 2 into 10 power 4 volt per meter. 2 into 10 power 4. Q means 2 into 10 power minus 8. 2 into 10 power minus 8. Square, I am writing square, plus m means mass of the pendulum. Mass of the pendulum is, this can be written as 8 into 10 power minus 5 kg. Mass is 8 into 10 power minus kg. M 8 into 10 power minus 5. G value 9.8. I am taking 10, nearest value 10. Nothing but 10 power 1 square, I am writing square. T is equals to under root of 2 into 2, 4 into 10 power 4 into 10 power minus 8. 4 minus 8. 10 power minus 4 square plus 8 into 10 power 1, 10 power minus 5. 1 minus 5 minus 4. Minus 4 square, I am writing square. Here T is equals to under root of, so 4 square means 16 into 10 power 4 2 ja 8 minus 8. 8 square 64 into 10 power minus 8. T is equals to 10 power minus 8 common, 10 power minus 8 common, 16 plus 64. It is nothing but 16 plus 64, 80 into 10 power minus 8. T is equals to 80 root, nearly 8.8. 80 root 8.8 into 10 power minus 8, 10 power minus 4. Tension is nothing but force. Force unit is Newton. This is the tension in the string.